cold. No, I can't believe your heart is cold. Maybe slow to warm from a long, lonely night. So let someone start believing in you. Let him hold out his hand. Let him touch you and watch what happens. Someone who can look in your eyes and see into your heart. Let him find you and watch what happens. Cold. No, I can't believe your heart is cold. Maybe just afraid to be broken again. So let someone with a deep love to give his deep love to you. And what magic you'll see, let someone